Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop by today and take some time and spend your time with me. I do really appreciate it. Alright, my name is Pam. This is Pam's Life, my channel. I want to tell you just a little bit about my channel. I do some DIYs, Dollar Tree DIYs. I also make some homemade cards. I make them once a month for my grandmother who is in a nursing home right now, so I do like to send her a card every month. So I take you along to see the card making process. I'm not a great card maker, but I do make them. I also love to shop at the Dollar Tree and find those great deals that we're always looking for to save a little bit of money. My life also consists of living the ketogenic lifestyle. So if you're interested in any of that, I do have a playlist of my keto journey. So welcome to my channel and thank you for taking the time out of your day to stop and spend it with me. All right, for you guys today, I have a huge Dollar Tree haul. I apologize for my lighting. We are having some really terrible storms. A nor'easter came in, knocked power out all day long yesterday. Today we are still dealing with some winds. It's just crazy out there, so I apologize for that. I do want to show you a whole bunch of new products that I've been acquiring for the last couple of weeks at my Dollar Trees. I hope that you like it. Please stick around. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel be recognized by YouTube. And also, if you're new and you would like to subscribe, please consider doing that. I would love to have you here. All right, guys, so let's get into the new things. Right now, I want to show you this little, it's an iPad mini. It's like a little booklet. I don't have an iPad, but I have like this little Chrome notebook thing, and I use it a lot, especially if I'm cooking, I'm looking up recipes, watching videos. So this was really cool. It's by Studio C. It's a little mini pad. This has a magnet for the closure, which is really cool. You put your little book in there, and it can actually has this little cool thing here where it holds your iPad, and it can like sit on your table. So it holds it for you. So really cool. I really liked it. I love the colors. These are actually my favorite colors. So you would just do it like that. Your little iPad-y, or if you have the mini iPad, sits right in here and it holds it in place for you. Great deal, especially for $1. Great for a gift if you're looking for a gift for somebody that might have one, a birthday gift, a Christmas gift. It's almost that time of season. Beautiful color. This is my favorite color. So on to some other things. My Dollar Trees finally got a whole bunch of Halloween stuff in. Can you believe right before Halloween? Everybody else already has it for how long now? But I am just getting it in. So this, I've seen tons of people doing little, they've been redoing these little DIY stickers. Now these are wood pieces. So if you're in like the crafting group like I am, they made little embellishments out of these and they redid them. Really cute stuff that people are doing. I know Scrap Diva 29 and a whole bunch of other people. Craft Purge, I think, did some. So yeah, these are really cute. And signs. Now I see so many DIYers make and change these, but I think I'm going to keep them the way they are. I really do like them. I think that they are so cute. We've never gotten them in, so this is the new ones. Happy Halloween and Trick or Treat. So cute. I love them just the way they are. All right. I did make myself, for my mantle, my fireplace mantle, I made myself some garland to go around it. I will put a picture in of my garland, but I think it's lacking something. So I picked up these little eyeballs to put inside the little flowers, so the flowers have little eyes. I thought it'd make it a little bit cuter. So yeah, I picked these up. I think they're really cute. And I stocked back up on some of the floral wiring, the copper wire. These are the LED lights. So I got a bunch of them for projects for the fall, for Christmas and things like that while they had them. Now Jolie's boutique is so cute. I know that they sell it at the Dollar Tree and Joann's, I believe. But see, I found these. There is a ton of them. There was like, let's see, I guess red ones, yellow ones, but I like the white ones. I picked them up for a future project for the spring. I was going to clean them out, but I decided not to do that. All right, and for fall, my favorite scent that they have at the Dollar Tree is the spiced pumpkin. So I did pick up some of these. I put them in the freezer and they last longer. Also, I do cut down the little wick just a little bit, and they seem to burn a little bit slower. So yeah, I got them. That's my favorite scent. And to go with that, I did find this. This is so, so cute. Very pretty color. I love the orange. What I think I'm going to do with this though is I do have some clear glitter, and I think I'm going to just put some Mod Podge on there and then put the clear glitter on, so when the candle's at the bottom it kind of reflects a little bit. I thought that would be a nice touch. And like I said again about the Christmas, or about the Halloween stuff, we got some skulls. So cute. This skull is so cute. Love it. I got a bunch of them last year, but I packed them away and I don't know what I did with them. So I just picked up one. Just one. I saw a lot of DIYs with those also. Very, very cute. I love Halloween. It's my favorite time. I'll show you a picture of what I did to my outside. As you guys know, if you saw last year, which I'll put an iCard somewhere, I think it's here, of my after Halloween shopping. I got some amazing deals on things, so I'll show you how I decorated my outside with those amazing deals. All right, guys, so for new products, this is by Conair. It's a fishtail hair braider. See how it fishtails there? So it's all set up. I want to give it a try. My hair is long enough to do it, so I want to try it. It's 2 pieces. I just saw it, so I grabbed just one. I was going to grab more for my granddaughters, but I just grabbed one to see how it worked. So I love that. Now this is pretty cool. If you are like me and you do your makeup, which I did not do today, by the way, this is a sponge. So in between makeup, like if you're doing your eyeshadow and you want to transition from one eyeshadow to another and you don't have another brush, you can use this. This has a sponge inside of it, and what you do is you just take your brush and you clean it on there, and then you can use it because it'll be all clean. I thought that was really, really pretty cool, so I did get it. It just says directions for powder dry makeup. Gently glide brush in a circular motion onto the black pad to remove that color. So that is really, really cool. Now this does say do not use with any liquid makeup, so it's just for shadows. So I thought that was really neat. This is my favorite product. I want to do a top 10, top 20 favorite products. This is my absolute favorite. I don't like the white container. I do only like this container. Now I told you guys before, you really have to look inside and make sure, it smells so good, and make sure that it is full. Sometimes they're not full. Like sometimes you get a little ripped off. I mean, you know, it is $1. This is Salon Selective's, my favorite conditioner. I love this conditioner. All right, talking about a new product, I found this. This is the under eye massager. So it gets rid of that puffiness that's under your eyes if you didn't have a good night's sleep, or you know, just a little puffy during the month. This is going to work wonders for you. The directions are on the back. It just tells you how to use it. I mean, and it came in a whole bunch of different colors. I think green and purple it came in, so I do have pictures of them. But yeah, that was a new product at my store. Talking about new products, this actually kind of excites me. I am praying that this works. This is a facial cleaner brush. It works with AA batteries. So if you want to see how it works, I will gladly do a review for you. So yeah, I just actually, mine I had for years just died. So I do need a new one just to get the dead skin off and make your face a little more refreshed. So I'm going to open this. Again, it came in the same, I got the same color because it came in the same colors. I don't have the batteries, but I will get them. But yeah, they didn't have any replacement brushes. That's the only thing I was lacking, was the replacement brushes. But for $1, I really hope it works well. So we will check that out together. All right, and talking about beauty products, since I'm there, I did get these charcoal brushes. These are charcoal soft bristle brushes. It's supposed to Helps remove plaque and germs and whitens and brightens your teeth. So I got Stefano one and I got myself one. So I just hope that they work well. I also did pick up the Tom's charcoal toothpaste to go along with it. So we will see how well that works. And here I did pick up some new fall favorites. And it looks like this one is broken. Do you see that? How sad is that? That's what happens when they don't wrap your stuff. See? Totally broken. Totally upset now. I'm really upset about that. I mean, you could kind of hide it, but I don't. I mean, you know, that stinks. Alrighty, so this one says Hello Fall. It is not broken. It says Hello Fall. The scent is really, really nice, and it says the Rose Collection. So it does smell like roses. Very, very pretty. Very disappointed that that's broken. Now guys, I know that As Seen on TV products always give me a laugh. I do use a couple of them that actually do really work well. So these are called egglets. It's hard-boiled eggs without the shell. So you just crack your little egg, inside of one of these egglets, and then you put it in the boiling water and it does the hard-boiled egg for you. So I want to give this a try just to see how well it works. I haven't seen anybody else use it, but we had a ton of them at our Dollar Tree. I'll show you the picture. There was a ton of them. So I did pick that up. All right. And talking about beauty, now I do use these. I use these quite often. I use the little pink ones, and they do give me a nice, really tight curl. So I wanted to get a little bit of a bigger one. So I got a little bit bigger one because I don't want such a tight curl in the front. The back is fine for the tight curl, but this one I want a little bit wavier. So I did pick them up. So, and they work really well. All right, guys, and so for arts and crafts, I did find this Crafter Square. This is a paint pen. It is in white, so you can use it on wood, plastic, metal, glass. So I did pick just one of these up. I haven't seen anybody use them, but this is going to come in handy for any projects that I have. Hopefully it works really well. And then we have some new wreaths frames. So these are all silver, not green, silver. So I did pick up one big one. They only had the big ones. And it just says a silver wreath 14 inches. So I can't wait to use that. And let me see. I do have a couple items over here. I did pick up myself another pumpkin because I wanted to decoupage this one, but I want to do it in the black and white plaid, which I already did before, so I want to do another one. So, yep. And then I did pick up some of this spooky kind of ribbon for a Halloween wreath that I want to be doing. I love that. That is so cool. And then this one with the little gold pumpkins, really, really cute. I love that. And I did pick up a hexagon shelf, another one. I needed two black ones, but they didn't have black, so I did pick up the white one. I am going to be painting this, so hopefully it will work. I need to get a special paint, I hope. Hope not. I hope I could just spray paint it. They had some new clips, and I did pick up these clips. They're gray and black because of my hair color. I found this really pretty Kiss Gel nail polish. Now today I don't really have my nails done, but I did pick up this green one. Very, very pretty. I was hoping for the holidays, for Christmas, that would be come in handy. And sorry, I moved you guys. Cute little, they had a penguin and this little doggy, and it's a little unicorn with wings. And you know, you guys know my Mia. She just passed, and I just miss her so, so much. This doesn't look like Mia, but it's so cute. It reminds me of Mia, so I got that. So, and that's about it. I did pick up some like little things here. They had some of these. They had some of these. These are Chomp Burgers by Purina. There's 2 pouches in there. Now my dog Delilah, she's kind of old. She's Mia's mama. And she lost some of her teeth, so she can't really chew on hard food that well. So we did pick these up just to see if she liked them. If she likes them, then I will get the bigger box of them at the store. Stefano saw this for our dogs. Now our dogs are on grain-free food. They don't have any grain-free or any grain in their food, so we try to make them eat healthy. So Stefano saw this and he just wanted to see this. Now this says it's deboned beef and barley recipe, super premium food for dogs. So, and there's no corn, no soy, no wheat, no artificial colors or flavors, no preservatives, no byproducts, and with probiotics and prebiotics. So he got this also made in the USA. It's by Farmhouse. So we'll see how well this is. We've never tried this before, so I did, you know, sometimes I'm iffy about buying the dog food from the Dollar Tree. I will look up the brand online before I give it to my dogs, make sure that it's okay. If I haven't heard anything bad about it, you know, then I'll give it to them. I'm very disappointed. This makes me upset. Darn. Now I know it wasn't like that when I had it in my cart. So alright guys, so I did do a couple DIYs. I did get 3 of the scarves from the Dollar Tree, which were the black and orange pattern, and I made myself a swag and I put it over my kitchen window. I will show you a picture of it here so you can see that. I haven't really done any DIYs. Also I got some of the black and white scarves back there. It's up over my bar where my plants go, and I made myself a swag for my mantle for the Christmas. It looks like the black and white checker here. I got these from Walmart, only $5 each. But yeah, I did want to start doing some Christmassy stuff, so I will be doing a DIY on that. Super easy, super simple to do. So yep, so I definitely will be doing a review on this, so if you guys want to see that, please give me a thumbs up down below and I will show you. I do want to show you guys something really quickly. Now this is not Dollar Tree related, it is from the Dollar General, and this is by the LA Colors. Now you know last year they had those really cool nudes and the smoky eye. Well, they had these ones. This is called Stunning. Beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. So I compared them next to last year's, and they are much different than last year's ones that LA Colors had. And this is called Stella. This is gorgeous. Really stunning. I love the colors in this. So I will be trying these out. So I'm not a beauty guru by any means, but I do like my eyeshadows. Alright guys, so thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to stop by. I will insert some pictures of some cool things that I found that I didn't pick up because you know I'm on a teeny tiny budget. So alright guys, thank you so much. Like I said, I always enjoy your company. Thank you. I read every single comment and I try to reply. If you have a question, I do reply to your questions. So thank you so much again. I appreciate it. I am sorry that this is late going up, but we had a terrible storm here in Maine. Power went out. Today it's kind of iffy. We had a little bit of flickering of our lights. So I'm praying I can get this all up for you guys so you can see it for this weekend, so you can go enjoy some of your wonderful finds at your Dollar Tree. Alright guys, like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!